Hi and welcome to the Studio Marco Primeau. Today we're going to talk about tempo maps. This is something that you can do with any DAW. For me, I'm going to make some tests with Samplitude Pro X5, but of course, any DAW you have, you probably have the opportunity to change the speed, make some time signature changes in your project. So that's the first thing we think about when we talk about tempo maps. We just think about a song that might change the time signature along the way and maybe the speed of the song. So we will create a tempo map before starting to record, so the click will change speed and follow the song that we want to record. But there's more to it than just that. We can take a recording already existed of a band or an instrument and make our project follow the tempo of this audio content. Or we can do the other way around, take an audio recording and make it conform to our project. So we're gonna try those two right now. Let's go. All right, so we're going to check how the tempo map works in Samplitude Pro X5. Those rules applies for the older versions. First thing I'll do is import an audio file. This song is made by Human Radio. It's called You and Me and the Radio. This is the mix version, not the mastering. We did some exercise in the past. If you want, check in the videos on my channel. There's 3-part mix and an exercise of mastering. So what you need to do is decide if you want the audio to follow the project tempo or the project following the tempo of the audio. That's what we're going to do today. And the first step would be to select the tempo mode, which is tempo map grid fit mode. Then we're going to create a tempo track. Right click, insert tempo track. The song should start on a downbeat, of course, of the project. So we're going to change for bars and beats. And my first measure will start on the 4th measure of the project. You can choose whatever you want. The important thing is that your first beat of the song or the audio that you're using start at the start of a measure. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to zoom a tiny bit. We're going to remove what is before. And I'm going to take just a part of the song, maybe up to this point. Hit T, delete the rest. This is just for the video, for the exercise, because it's a bit long to tempo map the whole song. The next step would be to add some grid markers. You can go on that icon, insert grid position marker, or you can assign a keyboard key. Hit Y on your keyboard, go into keyboard menu and mouse, and then in play and rec, and then marker, and then insert grid position markers. What you see is I already assigned the star key on my keyboard to do so, so I will be able to tap and on each beat or on each measure. It's better to do it by measures because if you do it by beat, it will insert too many variations. So let's go, okay, and then we're gonna snap to beats and bars, and you can remove the snap here if you want, but the idea is to go and choose full bar. This will give where the markers reference is for each bar. So let's go and put the first marker. Whoops. I'm going to zoom in. And here will be the first one. And actually, if I play the song like it is, let's see if I say it's 140 BPM and I don't adjust the audio, if I play the song with the click, it won't fit. Okay, so that's what we want to do. We want to fit the click and the rhythm of the project to the audio. If I want to add other instruments or MIDI instruments that I will quantize afterward, it's very important that the beats are aligned with the project. So here we go. The first is there, and I'm gonna tap the rest. Take a stroll around the block, but that wasn't fast enough. Since I did it by hand, maybe I did a mistake, so you can go and rectify any beats. If we zoom a tiny bit here, you see that marker is a bit early, so I can go here and put it right on time. Same thing with the others. See, this one could be a bit later. All right, so you can do that for the whole song if you want. So now if we reactivate the click and we go from the top, it should follow the audio now. So this is how you make a tempo map and make your project follow the audio that you imported in that project. And why not going the other way? We're going to change the tempo mode to BPM mode. And if we go into the object itself, we can add this click, use musical tempo adjustments. Now I can change the speed of the song if I want. And of course, you can also go into the tempo and tempo map dialog, and you can change them here. Okay, if I want 130, or in your all tempo maps and use a project tempo. Okay, so the project tempo now is we're going to put 110. Okay, or 140. And this is all possible because of elastic audio. So this is one of the features that can help you change the pitch or the speed of any audio content. So I hope it gives you some creative ideas. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on the like button, consider subscribing, hit the bell to get notifications, and share my videos. It's always a great help.